Hey there, PowerPoint fans, ready to become a slide wizard? Let's jump right into essentials of PowerPoint. Creating a new slide is a breeze. Hit New Slide in the Home tab and pick a layout that fills or tells your story. Next, add some impact with text and images. Keep text short, and for images, just drag and drop. Do you need more slides? No problem. Repeat this new slide step and watch your presentation grow. Transitions add some flair. Click on Transitions tab and choose one that makes your slide dance. And now you know, design is the key. Explore the Design tab for themes that will make your slides stand out. Something else, animation bring life to your slides. Apply them sparingly for the extra touch of magic. Let's wind up with saving. For the grand final, save your masterpiece as a video or as a file. For a video, go to File, then go to Export, then select Export type is a video. So just click Create Video, and then after that select resolution which you want. We have 1080, we have 720, 460, 360, and so on. Then finally you create video, and you'll select the location where you want to save your video, and then the process of creating video will start. You can see it from the status bar, and that's all. In a few seconds, the process of video generation will be okay. There you have it. You're on the way to becoming a PowerPoint pro. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your PowerPoint questions. Till next time, happy presentations.